Hi Rochester students, after reading the book Squish, written by Jenny and Matt Holm, I noticed that there was a science experiment in the back of the book. In fact, there are science experiments in the back of all of the Squish books. The author, Jenny Holm, is the 2nd and 3rd grade author in April visiting our district in April. I thought this slime experiment would be fun to explore. The materials you need are 1 cup of cornstarch, a half a cup of water, a spoon, and a large bowl. You can also use some waterproof objects like a Lego. This experiment will explore different states of matter. We will determine if the slime demonstrates properties of a solid or a liquid. So first, let's review the states of matter. Anything that takes up space is called matter. Air, water, and even people are examples of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. A book and a ball are examples of solids. Solids keep their shape and do not flow. Water and juice are examples of liquids. Liquids do not have their own shape and can take the shape of the container they are in, and they can flow at any given temperature. Helium used to fill up balloons and air are examples of a gas. A gas does not have a set size or space. Now let's get ready for the experiment. Let's roll up our sleeves because this will get messy. Before I mix the cornstarch and water, what is your hypothesis? Do you think once I mix it, it will have the properties of a solid or liquid? Now you're going to mix all of your ingredients together. So let's start by pouring in the cornstarch. And then add your water. And now we're going to mix. If you need to, like us, you can add more cornstarch if your mixture is too liquidy. Now you can mix with your hands. Now let's explore. Pick up a handful of slime and squeeze it. Does it have the properties of a solid or liquid? It feels like a solid, doesn't it? Now stop squeezing it and let it drip through your fingers. Now, does it have the properties of a solid or a liquid? What we created when we mixed the cornstarch and water together is called a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it has the properties of both a solid and a liquid. It can also be called a colloidal solution. Now, you could try putting some items like a Lego or coin in the slime. What do you think might happen? Get creative and post in the comments what you decided to test and let us know what happens. One last tip, do not throw this out in your sink. It will clog your drain. You should throw it out in a trash can. Thanks for watching.